Tenant states my dryer's starting to make a squeaking noise. How do you punch a hole right through the barrel? What were you loading in there? Motor and tensioner both sound good. Ooh, yeah, way too much gap in there. Alright, so what I'm grabbing is what I personally call a top hat bearing, just because the little piece of plastic looks like a top hat. Then I'm going to grab the retaining washer for it. So just cut the old rubber washer off and pull the old top hat off. Going to lube up where the new one will ride and then slide it all together. Make sure the belt's sitting properly, and let's test it out. Oh yeah, there's that nice quiet dryer we love. And we're done with this, on to the next one.